How long can you use Asana for free? Have you ever wondered how long you can actually use Asana for free before you're forced to upgrade to a paid plan? Well, let's dive in and find out. Asana has quickly become a popular project management tool, offering a user-friendly interface and a range of features to help teams collaborate and stay organized. But with so many free tools out there, it's natural to question whether Asana's free plan is truly sustainable. The free plan breakdown. Let's break down what you can and can't do with Asana's free plan. Unlimited projects. Yes, you can create as many projects as you need, which is great for individuals and small teams. Unlimited tasks. You can add as many tasks to your projects as you want, making it easy to break down larger projects into smaller, manageable steps. Basic task management features. The free plan includes essential features like task descriptions, due dates, assignees, and comments. File uploads. You can attach files to tasks, which is handy for keeping all relevant documents in one place. Collaboration features. The free plan allows for basic collaboration, including commenting on tasks and assigning them to team members. Integration capabilities. Asana integrates with a variety of other tools, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. Limited views. While you can create custom views, the free plan limits the number of views you can have. The limitations. While the free plan offers a solid foundation, there are some limitations to keep in mind. No custom fields. You can't create custom fields to track specific information relevant to your projects. Limited automation. The free plan doesn't support advanced automation features like rules and workflows. No time tracking. If you need to track the time spent on tasks, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. No advanced reporting. The free plan doesn't offer advanced reporting capabilities to help you analyze your team's productivity. Limited support. The free plan provides basic support, but you may not have access to the same level of support as paid users. So, how long can you use it for free? The short answer is, as long as you need it. Asana doesn't have a strict time limit on its free plan. However, if your needs grow beyond the limitations of the free plan, you may need to consider upgrading to a paid plan to unlock additional features and benefits. Factors to consider. When deciding whether to upgrade to a paid plan, consider the following factors. Team size. If you have a large team, the free plan may not be sufficient to meet your collaboration needs. Project complexity. If you're working on complex projects that require advanced features like custom fields and automation, you'll likely need a paid plan. Budget. The cost of a paid Asana plan will vary depending on your team size and the features you need. Return on investment. Consider the potential benefits of upgrading to a paid plan, such as increased productivity, improved collaboration, and better project management. Asana's free plan is a great option for individuals and small teams who need a basic project management tool. However, if your needs grow beyond the limitations of the free plan, it's worth considering upgrading to a paid plan to unlock additional features and benefits. Ultimately, the decision of whether to upgrade depends on your specific requirements and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.